Welcome. You are here now. And tonight, the forest is here with you. Outside your window, beyond the noise of the world, deep and still and ancient. The forest is awake tonight, and it is waiting to carry you to sleep. Pause 5 seconds. There is nothing you need to bring with you. No thoughts, no plans, no worries. Just yourself. Just this breath. Just this moment. Find your position now. Let your body settle completely into the surface beneath you. Feel how it holds you. Every part of you fully supported. The day is behind you now. Everything that happened, everything that was said, everything that was felt, it all belongs to the day. And the day is done. Tonight belongs to you. 10 hours of deep, uninterrupted rest. 10 hours of forest sounds surrounding you completely. You are safe here. You are held here. You can let go here. Let's release your body now. Every part of it. Slowly and completely. Pause 4 seconds. Begin at the top of your head. Soften your scalp. Release any tension hiding there. Relax your forehead. Let it smooth and widen. Calm and open. Your eyes rest heavily behind closed lids. The darkness behind them is soft and welcoming. Nothing to see. Nothing to search for. Just beautiful stillness. Pause 4 seconds. Your cheeks soften. Your jaw releases. Your lips part gently. Your tongue rests naturally. Your throat opens. Your neck softens completely. Feel your head growing heavier against whatever holds it. Your shoulders drop now. Lower and lower still. Let them fall completely. Let them release the weight of everything they carried today. Your arms grow heavy now. Upper arms relaxing, elbows softening, forearms releasing, wrists loose, hands open, fingers gently uncurling, all heavy, all still. Pause 5 seconds. Your chest rises and falls with each quiet breath. Natural, easy, peaceful. Your stomach softens completely. Your lower back melts into the surface beneath you. Your hips grow heavy. Your thighs release. Your knees soften. Your calves let go. Relaxation flows down into your ankles, your feet, your toes. Every toe releasing, every muscle letting go. Your whole body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes, is now completely relaxed, deeply still, deeply at peace. Now, let's slow your mind. Bring your soft attention to your breath. We breathe together now, slowly and gently. Pause 4 seconds. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out slowly 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Breathe in the cool night air. Hold the quiet stillness. Breathe out every last worry. One more time. Breathe in the forest coming closer. Hold peace settling inside you. Breathe out the world falling away. Return to natural breathing now. Slow, easy, completely effortless, like the forest breathing all around you. I want you to imagine you are standing at the edge of an ancient forest. It is night. The air is cool and still, carrying the scent of pine and damp earth and moss. Clean, deep, perfect. You step forward into the trees. The forest closes softly around you, tall trunks rising on every side, their branches weaving together high above, forming a canopy of dark leaves and scattered stars. The sounds of the forest surround you now. Crickets singing in the undergrowth. A distant owl calling softly through the trees. The wind moving gently through the highest branches. A soft, continuous whisper. You find a clearing. A small, open space in the heart of the forest. The ground here is soft, covered in thick moss and fallen leaves. You lie down. The earth beneath you is warm and alive. It holds you gently, like it has been waiting for you to arrive. Above you, through the opening in the canopy, you can see the night sky. Stars scattered across the darkness. Still and eternal and impossibly beautiful. The forest sounds continue all around you. The crickets, the wind, the distant owl. A stream somewhere nearby, soft and constant, moving slowly through the dark. You are completely alone here, in the most peaceful way. No one needs anything from you. No one is coming. No one is waiting. Just you, and the forest, and the night. Pause 8 seconds. Your body sinks deeper into the moss, heavier with every breath, more still with every exhale. The forest holds you. The night holds you. The sounds hold you. Safe, still, at rest. Your mind grows quiet now, as quiet as the forest in the deepest hours of the night. The sounds continue all around you. Soft, steady, constant. They will be here all night long. Every hour, every breath, every dream. You don't need to try to sleep. Sleep is already here. It arrived with the forest. It arrived with the dark. It arrived the moment you let yourself rest. Simply drift now, like a leaf falling slowly from a branch, floating, turning gently, coming to rest. The forest will watch over you through the night, all 10 hours of it. Every sound a reminder that you are safe, that you are held, that you are exactly where you are meant to be. I am safe in the stillness. I release the day completely. The night is mine to rest. I welcome 10 hours of deep and healing sleep.